Before going to learn a programming should ask why it is. What is it? How to use it? What is Python? According to its official website, Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. It includes high-level data structures, dynamic typing, dynamic binding, and many more features that make it as useful for complex application development as it is for scripting or glue code that connects components together. It has a clear and simple syntax that makes it very easy to learn, which turns it into the perfect gateway for programming beginners. That's because the language emphasizes readability and makes coding very easy. Python is also the fastest growing programming language in the world. Its high-level, interpreted, and object-oriented architecture makes it ideal for all types of software solutions. What's more, the language's emphasis on syntax readability, program modularity, and code reusability highly increases the speed of development while reducing the cost of maintenance. Another main feature of Python is that it supports modules and packages. Both things make it easier for Python developers to reuse code across different projects. Naturally, this is a great way to increase productivity and save time and effort when working with the language. The history of Python. Python was conceived in the late 1980s and was named after the BBC TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Guido van Rossum started implementing Python at CWI in the Netherlands in December of 1989. This was a successor to the ABC programming language, which was capable of exception handling and interfacing with the Amoeba operating system. Python is derived from ABC, Modular 3, C, C++, Algo 68, Smalltalk and Unix shell and other scripting language. On January 1994, Python version 1.0 released with many features including with functional programming with lambdas, map, filter, reduce. It also included features from 0.9 Python, including classes with inheritance, exception handling, functions, and the core data types list, dict, str. On October 16, 2000, Python version 2.0 released with many new features. Then Python version 3.0 was released on December 3, 2008. Why is Python so popular? Why learn Python? Python is the most powerful language you can still read, says by Paul Dubois. Python is easy to learn. Its syntax is easy and code is very readable. Python has a lot of applications. It's used for developing web applications, data science, rapid application development, and so on. Python allows you to write programs in fewer lines of code than most of the programming languages. The popularity of Python is growing rapidly. Now it's one of the most popular programming languages. Facebook, Google, Dropbox, Spotify, Quora, Wikipedia, Netflix, Yahoo, NASA, and many other companies use Python due to the many benefits it conveys. It is one of the most flexible, reliable, and capable programming languages in the world, and it plays a major role in most types of software development projects.